Hello everyone. Let's have a revision on nucleotides. Sangeeta here. So the question regarding the nucleotides are biologically important nucleotides. The question is name for biologically important nucleotides and give their functions. As we all know, the functions of nucleotides, it is mainly the structural component of nucleosides, but it has other biochemical and physiological functions also. So the nucleotides which involves in biochemical and physiological functions are called biologically important nucleotides. So in question they have asked us to write 4 biologically important nucleotides and its functions. So you can write any of these examples like ATP, ADP, that is adenosine triphosphate and adenosine diphosphate, then uridine diphosphate, cytidine triphosphate, cytidine diphosphate, etc. Then cyclic AMP, guanosine triphosphate and guanosine diphosphate, then cyclic GMP. These are the examples for biologically important nucleotides. Now let's go through with the functions of each. So first of all, cyclic AMP. Cyclic AMP, we all know that it is a cyclic nucleotide. Its main role, it acts as the second messenger. So cyclic nucleotides which mainly mediates the effect of a variety of hormones and other biologically important compounds. Its main role is it acts as a second messenger and mediates the hormonal actions, like for example, so many examples are there where cyclic AMP acts as a second messenger. It enhances the glycogenolysis, that is a breakdown of glycogen into glucose units, then promote lipolysis, inhibits cholesterol biosynthesis, modulates the transcription and translation, and activates steroid biosynthesis. And also it has other functions like it regulates permeability to water and electrolytes. Then it has some role in cell differentiation and helps to stimulate protein kinases. And other functions or other biologically important nucleotides and its functions. So we know that ATP, ADP, AMP, GDP, GTP, all these are biologically important nucleotides. Among this ATP, which is the main biological source of energy in the cell constituents. Then adenosine monophosphate, which is acting as a component of many coenzymes like NAD+, NADP+, FAD, FADH, etc. Then GDP and GTP, that is guanosine diphosphate and guanosine triphosphate, which involves in substrate level phosphorylation, where during substrate level phosphorylation GDP will be converted into GTP, which is equivalent to ATP and can be served as a source of energy. Then regarding cyclic GMP. Cyclic GMP, it is almost similar to cyclic AMP. It is also act as a second messenger and the mediator of hormonal action. It also enhances glycogenolysis, lipolysis, inhibit cholesterol synthesis, modulate transcription, translation, etc. and activates steroid biosynthesis.